don't know what I'm doing. This is so weird. Hello, anyone who's even clicked on this video. Thank you for being here. It literally just might be a speed through version of me doing this makeup because I know what I can be like with my talking. It might have to be a voiceover, I'm not really sure. Yeah, if you guys want to see any other colours or any other types of videos or anything, just comment down below or message my Instagram and I will have no problem doing them. I didn't film the face because I think that should be a separate video, which I will do if anyone wants to see. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle to stay in focus and do this makeup look. Oh god, I thought I had a nosebleed then. Wasn't fun. Yeah, P. Louise base. I'm just gonna go under my eyebrow first. And you're just gonna have to ignore all the eyebrow hairs under my eyebrows because I won't get them threaded because I'm a pussy and it hurts. So I've just left them. If you're using bright colours, leave your base wet because you'll get the most colour payoff. So I'm going to be using, this is the most unnecessary thing, you don't need two palettes, but that's what I'm going to be using. This is two different colours, but I know NYX do really nice blue eyeshadows. I've got the James Charles palette and I'll be using this blue by here. I would love to use this blue as well to darken it up, but it's shimmery and I would not recommend putting shimmers in the crease. It just doesn't look good in my opinion. And then I'm going to be taking this absolutely battered Jaclyn Hill palette. I know it's disgusting, isn't it? And I'm going to take this greeny turquoise colour at the bottom by taking the tip of my brush and getting loads of blue eyeshadow on there. I'm just going to look down into my mirror and push it into the crease. This doesn't need to be perfect, you just literally need the colour on there. So now I'm going to take a bigger fluffy brush. Still not massive because you don't want a massive brush, and I'm going to go into the turquoise colour from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And if you're an insane makeup lover, like some of us are embarrassingly makeup obsessed, you will know that you need to trust the process. So if you come to this stage and you're like, oh my god, it looks awful, just carry on anyway. Wait until you put eyelashes on and mascara, make sure your eyebrows are done, or your whole face, and then decide if you don't like it or not. So now I'm going to take a little pencil brush, like a fluffy pencil brush, and I'm going to go into black and then just go below the crease. Can anyone see that fucking line? I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it doing that? I'm going to carry on.
Okay guys, so at this point of the video I was throwing all my toys out the pram because everything was going wrong. Like I had that black line across my eye, whatever. I sorted it in the end, but I've changed to a voiceover because I kept dropping the end of my sentences. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the crease with the P. Louise concealer. And then when I get towards the end, I'm dragging it. This is where I started getting stroppy, so I had to stop the voice. But I drag it up into a wing. And this will just give you an alternative shape to a normal cut crease. And then I'm packing a light blue eyeshadow over the top of it. And using a smaller detailed brush just to get into the smaller places. Then I'm going in with a black again, just a tiny bit of a black on an eyeliner brush and just creating the depth and blending it out with a pencil brush. And then I'm going on the outer corner with the same brushes that we used, starting with the lightest colour and then building up eventually to the black. I'm going under the eye with the P. Louise base again and packing that on. And I'm going to follow the same steps as I did on the top. So I'm starting with the blue. And I'm blending it out with the green. And then I'm going in I'm just tightlining with a bit of black. And then obviously I cut this bit out because you have a nice video of my forehead, which I don't think anyone would even pay to see. So I'm basically trying to show you that I used the P. Louise base in the waterline and just went over it with white eyeshadow because I find that stays the longest, even compared to a white eyeliner. I just haven't found one yet. And then all these little clips by here is just me showing you that these are the bits that perfect it. So I'm going back over that little wing with some white, and I'm going back over the colours to make them more intense, and those little things will really help. And then these are the pre-marked lashes in the style Kylie.
This is the finished look with the eyelashes and the face, if it focuses. I'm gonna make this quick because my camera is gonna die and I'm too lazy to charge it and film this bit again. I hope you learned something. I hope you come back for more. Thank you for watching, and if you need to know what any products are, because I'm probably going to be shit at listing them, just either comment down below or message my Instagram, and I will get back to you all. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you next.